My video guide will help you to get rid of the adware called SectionBuffer. SectionBuffer. You may now clearly see that this adware is the part of Mac applications, and that's the problem because many people see the adware. It starts redirecting the browser to many dangerous pages in the internet, and eventually people may face their Mac to be infected with a lot of junk programs. In the light of this information, I strongly advise that you delete this adware as soon as possible. Also, while it is active, it may spy on your browsing habits and even transfer a lot of personal details to third parties. Therefore, considering the fact that SectionBuffer is often bundled with some free programs, people install it really unintentionally. And it's another reason to categorize it also as a potentially unwanted program. So what to do with SectionBuffer application? Well, the only correct solution is to get rid of it right away. On your Mac keyboard, click on Command, Option and Escape. This will open Force Quit Applications menu. You will need to force quit your troubled browser like Safari. The browser that is hijacked by this adware. You need to first of all force quit it. After that, go back to the application and move the adware to the trash. I also recommend double checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then start scanning your Mac computer with this application. Click on Start Combo Scan and the free analysis of your Mac device will then begin. And at the end of scanning, you will see the detailed report about the condition of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the detailed report will be provided about the condition of your Mac computer. In the antivirus section, you may click on Review Results, and this will give you the detailed list of threats with their exact location on your Mac. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder and remove each specific threat manually. So we have this threat here, it's highlighted. We may right click on it and move it to the trash. You may do this way with all the threats detected by the program. So once again, click on this icon, then click on this program, right click on it and move it to the trash. So this is the free way to remove malware from your Mac, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.